16 November 2022, and today's our video topic or Viva topic is application context and bin factory in Spring. So in previous video we already discussed the briefly in the internal implementation of this container. So we discussed it shortly. First of all, there are containers simply. There are two types. First one, container implementation. There are two types. Firstly, IOC, inversion of control, and second one there is a DI, so dependency injection. So simply there is a inversion of control. They create the objects, and dependency injection inject there is object and get the data. So simply there is a overall procedure in a overloop. So in a internal there is a simply we discuss integrators concept like this. First of all, we are the create a container class. In a container class, there are create a map object. So there is a map object. Map contain there are both the pairs, so key and value. So simply we store the objects and their references in a map. So like objects references, like there are simply four classes. First of all is student, TPO, there is a admin. Like this are three classes, and three classes are we want to store their objects and there is a reference in a map. So first of all, we in a container class we create an object of this map, and in this map there are two values, key and value simply. Then we in a container class create two methods. So set data, there is a we pass the string, and there is object data type. There is our object string and object. String means the variable name, and second one is the get data. There is we provide the key, and there is a get the data, get the object of this class simply in this container, our main container class. And second one there is a main method. In this main method we create there are four classes object and four class object, and in this four class object we put the one by one in a map simply. First of all, we in this process we call the method, we provide the key of this. We simply want to get a student data. At that time we call the get data method of this map, and provide the key and get the fetch data. So there is an internal implementation of the container. Simply there is our store the data or set the data like this, or write data. There is a IOC, inversion of control, and second one there is a get the data or fetch the data. There is a DI, dependency injection. So today's topic, there is a application context, and second one is the bin factory. Simply we see the there is a we manually create the object and store it in a map. There is a with the pairing of the string and object data type like this. There is a all implementation internally is automated in a Spring Boot. Simply we also create manually, but there is a automatically. Simply there is application context first. Application context, simply there are two classes. In these two classes, in a implementation class, in a second class, and in other class we simply call this call this class method in a second class. At that case, there is a we simply add a while and provide the name, and with the help of the reference variable we call this method simply like this process. So at that case we start our Spring. At that case, application context are go to the our bin factory and order to the all the objects. So in this Spring or in this package there are all the classes objects are created in a bin factory and collected in and stored in a application context simply. So we want to call the object at instance there is a get the object the application context. So simply application context and bin factory are similar, but there are difference in these two types. Simply there are bin factory is a factory, like we take one simple example. There is a medical shop and their tablet company. simply we want to the crocin tablet. So at that case there are I have two ways to get the tablets. First there is a we go to the factory and get the tablet, and second one is we go to the medical and get the tablet. So there are possibly two ways, but in a bin factory there is we go to the factory and order to the tablets, and these tablets are required we create and required much time, like 1 or 2 3 days. So there is a not useful, but in a application context in a starting the spring, at that case they are ordered to the bin factory and collect all the create all the object and collect the object and store inside. So like this this is a container, like a simply. So I want to the object, or I want to the tablet to the application container. As an instant of time they are get the tablet. So simply like this, their application context are depending on the bin factory simply. So there are the overall like application context, and there is a bin factory. Bin factory simply there is a dependent application context are dependent on bin factory. But in a Spring Boot or in our project we don't directly use the bin factory. We use the application context. There is a faster and there is a reasonable to the process like this. So today's video topic or Viva topic, there is a we discuss all about the internal implementation of this container and internally how to work the container, and there is a how